Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a little mini project. It's a login project, but it's going to be a little bit different from all the other logins that I've done. We're going to use the range function for this. So first of all, I'm going to create a function. Let's just zoom in a little bit there. A function called login. And we're going to create a user password. I'm going to assign it to a password like admin123. Right, now we're going to create a for loop. We're going to call this attempt. So we're going to give ourselves 3 attempts. So attempt in range of 3. So we're going to give ourselves 3 attempts to log in, and what we're going to do is, if you've not got it already on board, you need to go to pip and import the module password import, or else this won't work. So we use pw here. We assign it to password import password import, and then we type in prompt. So we're going to prompt the user for their password. Then what we're going to do when the user types in their password, we're going to mask it. So we type in mask and we assign that to asterisks. So when they type it in, it'll be masked with asterisks. Okay, now we go on to the conditional. So if password is equal to user password, so basically if the user types in the correct password, we're going to print a message to them. Print and login successful. Login successful there, and then we're going to do break. So we want to break straight after that, or else if they're not successful, we're going to simply print try again. And like I say, because we made this in the range of 3, you'll get 3 attempts to do this. And then we're going to finish off with the last else statement, the last catch-all else. So the last condition is print max logins reached. So if you've reached your max logins, we're going to have to do something else, and I'm just going to type here quit. So quit the program when we hit 3 login attempts. Okay, all you have to do now is call the program. This is called login, like that. Save it and let's run it. Okay, let's just make this a little bigger. Let's just try our login first. Let's do, okay, that's the first one, the wrong one. Again. Okay, so max logins reached. So we've done 3 and we've reached the max logins. Okay, let's run it again, and this time we'll type in the password, which is admin123, and there you go, login successful. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.